Yeah? Well, you've already been one. Then you were what? Then you were 2.
Yeah.
And then what are you going to be?
Girl.
A what?
Girl.
A what?
Birthday girl.
Oh, a birthday girl.
I birthday girl.
How old are you going to be?
I be something.
Something? Are you going to be 10? One day.
How about 3?
Yes, I be 3.
Yay! How many fingers is 3?
Not sure right now.
I'm not sure.
I don't want to be guilty of this fall.
The principal came out and said no. Stepher was
Take
the
your fingers
teacher.
off the swing, can you?
Stepher was the teacher and she said no, that's not safe. Mama was having too much fun. Silly Mama.
Mama,
Uh-huh.
you can sit slow.
You want to go fast?
faster?
No, mommy.
Oh, okay.
Mommy.
You want me to do it? Huh?
You can turn.
A turn? Oh, my turn to push?
Oh!
Woohoo!
The big party!
Birthday party!
A birthday party!
Birthday party! Good girl, birthday party! Out of the sky. If Dipper gets your feet, are they over her head? She'll fuss about, get your feet. Hey, don't catch me.
No! Catch me! Not do that!
I won't do that.
No, you're supposed to go. After, you go with my feet.
Supposed to what?
No!
I'll push you.
No! You can't!
I can't. You can't. I bet she can. I bet she can.
That's the fun!
Okay, I won't.